Hello everyone, welcome to Code Scholastic. So today we are going to learn how we can install WordPress on our local host. So to install WordPress on our local host, we first have to install Xampp server because without Xampp server, WordPress is not going to work. Now we are using Google Chrome to download the files, so you can use any web browser that you prefer. So write WordPress download and then click enter. After that, we have many different websites, so you have to download the WordPress from the wordpress.org. That is the official website to download WordPress. So click on that. Then you can see that there is the latest version of WordPress, that is 6.6. So you can download that. Click on download WordPress 6.6. On the new tab and write download Xampp. Click on the first link that you see that says download Xampp. We have different versions of Xampp. You can download any one. As you can see, we have downloaded the WordPress version 6.6, so that supports PHP version 7.4 and greater than that. So click on the download. The download will start automatically, but if it doesn't download, then there is a link available. Click here. When you click there, the download will start. Now wait until both the downloads are completed. We have successfully downloaded both of the files. So what we have to do now? Firstly, we have to install Xampp server first. Double click on the Xampp server. You will see a warning message. Click OK. Now we can see the setup. So what we have to do now? Click next. Here are all the components that we want to install. So I would suggest that don't uncheck any of the component. Then click next. Here we have to select the installation folder. By default, it will select C drive, and it will automatically create a Xampp folder there. But if you want to change the folder location, if you want to store it if you want to create it in the D drive or anywhere else, so you can just simply click on that icon and you can choose a directory. Here I want to store in my I want to create the folder in my D drive, so I'm going to select D drive. See here, I selected the D drive, but it didn't create the folder automatically. I have to create it by myself. You can name it Xampp. Click next, then select your language and then click next. When you will click next, the setup will start installing the files. So we have to wait until all the files are installed successfully. After installation, you will see a window where they will ask you that you want Xampp control panel. So check that. When you click finish, you will see a Xampp control panel from where you can start the Apache and MySQL. Without Apache and MySQL, you won't be able to install WordPress on your local host. So you have to start Apache and MySQL. Now go to the download folder where you downloaded the WordPress file. Copy that file and go to the htdocs of Xampp folder. So I have installed in my disk drive D. So I'm going to open that and I'm going to open the htdocs folder. Paste that file there and unzip that file. After unzipping the file, you can see that there is an other folder within the WordPress 6.6. Okay, now rename the folder, that WordPress folder, with the name of the project you want. So what I am going to do, I am going to cut that folder and I am going to replace that WordPress 6.6 with that folder, and I am going to remove that WordPress 6.6 folder. After that, open the browser and write localhost /phpMyAdmin and click enter. Before installing the WordPress, we have to create the database for our project. So when you click enter, you will see the PHP MyAdmin homepage. Click on database, create new database, and write the name of the database. The name should be the name of that project you written in the htdocs folder. Click on create. So this will create a new database. Open a new tab and write localhost / the name of your project and click enter. This will open the website. This will open a page. Now you can see the setup page for WordPress. So what we have to do, select the language, click continue. Then you can see that we have to connect our WordPress with the database. So let's go. Okay, in the database name, write the name of the database you just created. Then the username will be root and leave the password as it is. It's empty because we are going to create a website project on our local host. So there is no need to create password right now. Then the database host will be localhost, and table prefix, if you want to change, you can change it. Click on submit. Now click on run the installation. Okay, after clicking on the running the installation, there is a few information that is needed. The name of the site title that you want, it will appear on the title bar, and then the username, any username that you prefer, and then password, and then your email. You can write any email, and then click install WordPress. On login, enter your credentials and press login. Now you can see the WordPress dashboard. So this is the dashboard for your WordPress where you will create the website. And if you want to see your website, so what you have to do, on the new tab, write localhost / the name of your project, click enter. So that will show your website. So that's it. This is how we can install WordPress on our localhost. So I hope you enjoyed the video and it was informative for you. Do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.